going to take a minute and point out something on like 94 through 97 Thunderbirds that's kind of important. And there's this code that comes up, and it's been on the forums for years. It's been on, birdcats.com and TCCOA Facebook, and it's the P1443 code. And it's an emissions code that comes up. And now that the wheel well's out, we have a moment I can show you guys what you're looking for. And what that usually happens is there's some small pieces of hose like this that deteriorate pretty well over time. And what this is the line that leads from the fuel tank to the purge, to the purge solenoid and the evap canister. So here's your emissions canister. There's a purge solenoid. This is a 94, 95 car. There is no sensor for this here. The 96, 97 cars would have a sensor right about here. This one doesn't have one. So there's your purge valve. So if you ever get a P1443 code, you're coming in here to change this out, change this out, change this out, and you come over here and change this out. And there's one up under here where the fuel lines are, but we don't have to look at that right now. But that's what you're looking for. You need a bunch of 5/16 hose, a razor blade, and you can just cut this stuff off and you can make new pieces, and that'll help make that code go away pretty easily. So